Okay, hi, I'm Representative Walt Rogers. I'm here with some UNI students who are here lobbying, of course, for UNI. And I wanted them to tell you all who they are, what their major is, and what brought them to UNI. Real quick, we got like 45 seconds.
Alright, my name is Blake Findlay. I'm a junior Spanish and psychology double major. I'm also the current vice president-elect of the student body. And I came to UNI just because, one, I got a scholarship that enabled me to actually attend college, and it's been the best thing that's ever happened to me. I love learning and meeting the awesome people that are at UNI.
Yeah, I think Blake's going to be a politician someday. I mean, he's already talking long already. So. All right, Wes.
I'm Wes Jones. I'm social science education major. I came to UNI for its teacher ed program. It's recognized across the nation, and to me that's unbeatable.
Katie.
Hi, my name is Katie Evans, and I'm a political science major and a Spanish and International Affairs minor. And I came to UNI because I also got a really good scholarship here, and it was the best size for me, and I love it. I would never have made a different choice doing that.
All right, so on three, go Panthers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go Panthers. Wait. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, go Panthers.